In today's video, I am going to teach you how to access your GoDaddy website hosting. First, sign in to your GoDaddy account. After you are logged in, go to the top of the page, click your profile icon, and select My Products from the menu. This will take you to the area where all of your GoDaddy services are listed. On the My Products page, look for the Hosting section. Here you will see the hosting plans connected to your account. Find the specific hosting plan for the website you want to manage. Once you locate it, click Manage next to that hosting plan. This will open your hosting dashboard. Inside the hosting dashboard, you will see several tools and management options for your hosting account. This is where you can review important details about your plan and access the features used to manage your website. If you need to open cPanel, look for the cPanel admin option and click it. Give it a moment to load. Once the cPanel dashboard opens, you can begin managing the technical parts of your website. From cPanel, you can work with your website files, manage databases, create or update email accounts, handle domain-related settings, and install or manage applications connected to your hosting. If your website uses GoDaddy Website Builder, you can also access that from the hosting area. Return to the main hosting dashboard if you are currently inside cPanel. Then locate the Website Builder section for the site you want to edit. Click Manage next to Website Builder and wait for the editor to load. When the Website Builder dashboard opens, you can manage the visible parts of your site. This includes updating your content, editing pages, changing the design, and adjusting your website settings. This area is useful for making changes to the appearance and structure of your site without working directly inside cPanel. By using both the hosting dashboard and cPanel, you can control the back-end tools for your website. By using Website Builder, you can manage the front-end content and design. Knowing how to access each of these areas will make it much easier to maintain your GoDaddy website efficiently. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.